Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So, students, which date is today of the month Ramadan? Ramadan today is 6th of Ramadan and 14 April 2000 and, sorry, 19 April 2021. Okay. And what day is today? Today is Monday. Okay. So student, today is our science class and you know what we are going to do today. You can see on your screen. Yes, today we are going to do something so much interesting, you know. Can you guess what we are going to make today? Today we will make a project today, okay? What we will do? Can you guess it? Yes, by the components you can guess what is it. So students, what we are going to do today, we are going to make a circuit. Like today we will make a circuit practically, okay? I have told you about the circuits. That what are circuits? Circuit is a path that electricity takes from its source to its destination. It's called a circuit. Circuit is a path from which the electricity flows. Okay, when we start the switch, the electricity passes to its destination. If you want to open the bulb or a fan, switch on the fan, the we switch on, it will get started. How is it possible? It is possible through the circuits, the torch, the batteries. We will use battery as a source, power source, but the circuits are used in everything, in refrigerator and in blenders, in washing machines, in torch lights, in our cars, in everything else, circuits are used. Okay, circuit, which shape does it resemble? Does it looks like a square? No. Does it look like a triangle? No. Circus resemble to as is spelling also sir is equal to circle. It's like a circle. Okay. Circuit is like a circle. If you run all around a circle ground, cricket ground, I have taught you in detail all of this. Okay. I'm telling now about the circuit. Then we will talk about the components and we will start our project. So if we run around a cricket ground, it's mean that and come to the dead point again, then it's mean that we have completed a circuit. In the same way, circuit also works. Okay, students. So what we are going to do today, we are going to make a circuit. It's so easy, student. You can also make it in your home. Okay. Look, students, the things we need it. We need. There are 4 components to complete a circuit. Which are 4 components, students? Yes, everyone knows it. I know. We need 4 components. Battery, power source, okay? Switch, wires. We need 3 wires, 3 to 4 wires, 3 wires to join this, and a bulb, okay? With the holder. So students, and a tape for joining this, okay? So students, we are going to start our today's class. Today we are going to make a circuit. You all have to also make a circuit at home easily, okay? Then you have to take the pics of that and send it to me, okay? आपको क्या करना है इनको जॉइंट्स करना है आप स्विच की जगह कोई भी आप बटन भी ले सकते हैं अगर आपके पास अवेलेबल हो बैटरी तो आपके घर पे होगी इसीलिए मैंने ये वाली छोटी ही ली है ताकि आप आसानी से अवेलेबल हो कुछ वायर्स के पीसेस चाहिए, वो भी आपके घर इजीली अवेलेबल है। एक छोटा बल्ब लेंगे, अगर ये भी चीज नहीं हो आपके पास होल्डर, इफ यू विल नॉट हैव दिस टाइप ऑफ होल्डर, you can just directly join with the down side of the bulb, okay, with the tape. Okay students, so students, what we are going to do now, we are going to join the circuit. First of all, we will join this bulb with the wire. Okay, we have holder that we have joined here with the screws. If we do not have holder, then what we will do, we will join this wire directly to the bulb. Look, I will show you. You will join both the ends of these wires with the bulb. Okay students, with the tape, what you will do, you will join the wires and put on the tape. टेप लगा देंगे, ठीक है। अभी मेरे पास ये होल्डर है, डेट्स वाई मैं इसको होल्डर से ही ज्वाइन कर रही हूँ। अगर आपके पास होल्डर नहीं है, नो इशू, आप ये बल्ब छोटा सा ले सकते हैं और इसको फिर टेप से ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। both ends will be attached with the wire. Okay, well, we'll get ready for the power source. Then what we will do, switch. मैंने आपको यही कहा, if you don't have this, then no need of tension, you can directly attach also, but I have to show the concept of the switch, that what happen if we on the switch and off the switch. Okay, then if you don't have, you can use the button also, a small button, red or white, to switch on and off. Okay, then students, a battery, a power source, okay, and the wires. Now what we will do, the one end of the bulb will be attached with the switch. Will be attached with the switch. Like this. In the button, I think you will have a screws to tighten it up. Okay. It's very interesting, students. Please try it at your home. Okay. Okay. We have joined one part of the bulb and the other part, other wire, with the switch like this. One, look. Okay, students, our power source is connected with the switch. Now, the other end of the power source will be attached with a battery. Okay, attached with the battery, we will one end with this tape. Okay, look, then okay students, then and the other end of the battery to the switch. Then I will attach this it will be attached properly. Okay, okay students, then this the last thing will be Okay, I have joined with this. Two ends, one end will be joined with the power source bulb and other will be like this, attached with this. Okay, students, I have showed how to attach the different four components with each other through a wire. Okay, there are four components. Without wire, there are three components, and we have joined with the fourth components wire each other. Okay, okay, students. Now we will do the experiment of lighting, switching on and off the bulb. I have subtracted all the components to show how to join the components. Okay. Now I have one that I have completed. Uh, I will show you this one also. That's the way I have made it another one also. Okay. This is the battery. This is the bulb, and this is the wires are connected with each other. It is making a circle. Okay, students. Now you can see it's mean the switch is off and the bulb is not lighting. Okay, here is the wires are too much long that it cannot be seen it properly. But I'm showing you that is the switch. This is the power source and that is power source and it's a bulb. ओके पावर सोर्स क्या है हमारे पास बैटरी है और हमारी जो कोई चीज जो हमारे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को हमारी चेंज कर रही है कन्वर्ट कर रही है लाइट एनर्जी इट्स मीन इट्स अ लाइट बल्ब हम यूज क्या कर रहे हैं लाइट बल्ब ओके स्टूडेंट्स नाउ सी दिस इज द स्विच button it's mean it is off okay when we are going to put in it the circuit will be complete there is a gap between the circuit so the electricity cannot pass okay it means the path is open there is a gap between it okay but when we will insert this the path will be closed and the bulb will be get lighted look at this it is lighting okay when we are taking it out it means we are closing the button it is getting off get it students it is getting off but we are inserting this means we are switching on the button then it is lighting on so student it is a very interesting project student you all have to do I told you that if you don't have these type of things, then you can also make without these things also. I have to show you all these things to clear the concept of all the four components. It is lighting up, look, when I am taking it out, it is getting off. How interesting it is, no? So students, you all have to make this project okay they look as I have attached the battery with the wire by using the tape you can also you attach the tape directly to the bulb by using tape if you don't have holder अगर आपके पास होल्डर नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स तो आप इसको बैटरी को वायर से डायरेक्ट टेप के जरिए अटैच कर सकते हैं सिमिलरली अगर आपके पास ये वाला स्विच नहीं है तो आप छोटा कोई भी बटन यूज कर सकते हैं जो हम हमारे घर पर जो स्विच बोर्ड पर लगे हुए होते हैं तो वो जो सेपरेटली आते हैं वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं अगर अब वो भी यूज नहीं कर रहे तो वो आप डायरेक्टली उसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं with the battery to the bulb but if there will be the switch it will be very good okay I hope you all have understand and how to make a circuit how to glow the bulb okay with joining the wires okay students look it's a path it's mean the circuit has closed and there is no space or gap in the past, there is no barriers, it's mean, to that the electricity can stop. Okay, I hope you all have understand what I'm going to teach you or what I have taught you. Okay, so students, I hope you all will make this project and send me the pictures in the WhatsApp group. I will be waiting for you for your response. Okay, and for your project. Take good care of yourself, students, and have a nice Ramadan. Allah Hafiz.